Hello, I'm Izzy Caswell, and my topic for the lightning rounds is SQL, otherwise pronounced as SQL, and it stands for Structured Query Language. Hello. Okay. What is it? SQL is a software that is a standard language for accessing and manipulating databases. SQL communicates with databases, and it works to help you decode the coding language that was built to make and organize said database. SQL is essentially your delivery man to bring you what you want from a database. For example, if you want the names of people from a table, you type in select, keyword select, that never changes, and then you type in name, standing for the name column, from, and type in the name of the table after from. If you want something more specific, like say you want the names of people who are taller than 5'7", you'd type in select name from the name of the table where height is greater than 5'7". And if you want to join two tables together or create a new table, you type in the name column and then keyword join with said name of another table. Overall, it can pull specific data from larger databases, filter through and clean up data, execute queries against databases, insert, update, and delete records in databases. All keywords that you use in SQL. So insert is a keyword that remains unchanging. Update, delete. Those are all commands that stay the same when you use SQL. And you can also add new tables to databases as well. Yeah. How SQL is related to journalism. With SQL, journalists can extract data for stories from overly complicated databases. In turn, SQL is meant for handling complex and large data sets too complicated for a spreadsheet. It essentially functions as a web scraping tool for a database. And as you know, once data is extracted, it can be manipulated, analyzed, and then be visualized. For how journalists use SQL, I have three examples. The first one is SQL can be used to analyze a large database of, say, campaign contributions to seek potential conflicts of interest. SQL can be used to analyze voting data from multiple different locations and regions to identify trends and patterns within a data set. And finally, extracting and analyzing SQL can be used for extracting and analyzing data from company databases to identify economic trends or potential malpractice. And here are my sources.